So we're out here at a lake back in Massachusetts, back in Tennessee. It's crazy. We went to Florida last week. The week before that, it was like 9 degrees, and we got around 7 or 8 inches of snow, which is record-breaking for this area. Let's see about that. Bought this new sucker at Academy last night. It's just a little minnow. We're gonna see if that holds up. So we're out here at a public lake, fishing lake. It's only open from March to October. It's about 30 minutes away from me, so I was driving here, stressing out about if I'm driving 30 minutes for nothing. As you can see, it's beautiful and green out here. There's crop fields surrounding it. And the first time I ever came here, there was a firefighter who had just gotten off his shift. And right as I pulled up, he caught an absolute monster. It was like 7 pounds. So ever since then, I've been coming back. Trying a new knot. It's like I forget what it's called, but bold strategy on my part by trying it on this new lure that cost me like $8. Let's give it the stress test first. I think this line also sucks. Weirdest thing, it smells like cat pee everywhere. I'm outside in the middle of nature and it smells like cat pee. I don't know what that's about. If I got peed on by a cat and just didn't know it. Threw on this P-line fluorocarbon 10-pound. So we'll see how that goes. Pretty shallow around here. Water quality is lacking. Oh, this rod with this new line is unreal. Silky smooth. Alright, let's see if I'm seeing some splashing over here. Oh, almost lost it on that. What's going on, guys? Hanging in there with these flies. I don't know what this is about. I know. Well, I just came over here, did not even see that hole. Almost went into it. Probably scoot up a bit, eh? Before I get stuck. Alright. It's kind of a dumbass move. Just gonna bring one of my rods out here. Beauty. It's my spot, geese. This is just so trashed by people. Makes it impossible to fish here. Okay, the last spot we're trying before we go somewhere doesn't have tires floating around in the water. Now, I assume the fish would be in a hard to get to spot that people don't want to go. Let's make sure no snakes are around. Yup, got a little something. What is it? Okay. Just a little baby. I saw him go for it too. At least it wasn't a waste. It's a pretty fish. Wrong way, Bubba. He was hanging out right by that. I don't know what it was, but I saw it. Oh, you know what? It's a tire. Maybe these tires are a good thing. Stupid things. Alright, so we're at a new spot here. This is on my friend's property in way south Tennessee. And we're on the Duck River going for some smallies. It's pre-spawn, so they should be buttes right now. The water's running pretty good, as you can see. So I've caught some on these little 5 and 6 inch worms. I have minnow. Guess we'll just see how it goes. Not to plug any merch, but soon there'll be some 8-pounder gear. These are the comfiest sweatshirts, fleece lined. It's like 60 degrees outside right now. It just rained, so the pressure dropped, temperature dropped. Perfect time to be wearing them. Little shameless plug for something that doesn't even exist yet. So we're gonna try to move around and see how it goes. Yeah. See if we can get it out there. Just gonna let the river do its work and take it down wherever it wants to go. Alright, we came up river a little bit. Let's see if there's anything in these weird little pockets. Sometimes it is, and it's not very satisfying to catch them there. I mean, sometimes there's stuff hiding in these little spots. Closer up to the edge, you know. Where can we get a little more access? Oh, frick. So pretty uneventful day. Didn't catch anything. GoPro died. Didn't matter because I didn't catch anything. Other than that other lake, I caught that small largemouth. I had a smallie chasing over there, but didn't catch it. First time out, almost lost the top end of my blue pole, like fluger. I got caught, yanked it, lost the top half. I was swearing all over the place. Luckily, I had the GoPro off at this point. Got caught on a rock or a tree or something. Anyway, got caught underwater in the heaviest part of the river. So it was sitting there waiting for me. Someone was looking out for me. Yeah, I mean, first time out. Rough, but we'll be back. I mean, it's beautiful out here, so maybe we'll take a yak. There's a deer in the background. Again, plug 8-pointer wear. We'll have a link to the clothing and that, so come snag it. We also have 8-pointer, 8-pounder. So not sure if you can see that, but we're getting the brand up and going, so we'll be there soon. All right, have a good day, y'all.